ACE is such an important event because it's where we look at the data, we understand these are the things we should work on. We bring in experts from all over the country to be able to teach us what we need to know.
It's an opportunity for them to hear new things. It's an opportunity for us to set the focus for the year. It's a time for us to work together, to bond, to build the culture of learning, which is what we wanted to do from the start.
It's just really awesome, the levels of support that we have and the meaningful connections you get to have with not only staff and leadership, but also to help with the kiddos and build those connections better with the families.
We are so lucky to have clinicians almost in different centers all over DFW, so it's a great opportunity to meet with them, hang out, and discover what's going on in their lives.
I think the most meaningful part of ACE is the poster session because I get to network with other BCBAs, I get to know how they do things at the center, and it helps me in different areas where I didn't think I needed that help.
So in my research life right now, some of the key collaborators are at Stanford, and they're doing some really great research on the naturalistic interventions and moving it forward with parent education and other programs. It's just been nice to collaborate with such a great group.
Only 20% of businesses even make it to their 20th year. So to be in your 25th year and still have our founders with us, still have the core of our business intact, it means that we've been successful. And what it means for the future is that we've got a good core foundation to build off of that will continue to grow and grow well.
What makes this ACE extra special for me is that this was the first time that myself and Billy and Carla, the other two founders, had the opportunity to get together on stage and talk about our journey from day one.
Being able to be part of the creation of BI 25 years ago really led me to think more about what was most important to me. And I really think the opportunity to open our first treatment center, because it was the first treatment center in North Texas for kids with autism that was applied behaviorally analytic.
We knew that it took a team of people to be able to do what we'd like to do and to reach our mission and vision. So when I think about how I feel about it, it's one of gratefulness. Gratefulness for those who helped us along the way and who are here with us today, and for those who are yet to come.
What's especially impressive to me is how they've maintained a commitment to quality services for children and been able to ramp that up to a very large scale. That's not an easy thing to do.
I would say the biggest growth moment is the 126% increase we've seen in the employee population since I started in summer of 2021. That amount of growth in such a short period of time, it's almost mind-blowing.
We've never been interested in being the biggest. We've always been interested in being the best at what we do. So our success is going to be measured in the outcomes that come from the kids. That's going to be our ultimate gauge, how well the kids do in our care and how well they are set up for success into the future.
When people ask about where the organization's going over the next 5 or 10 years, it's often about what's going to change. But I think a more interesting answer is what's going to stay the same.
The one thing that hasn't changed is our commitment to clinical excellence, as well as pouring into our staff and staff development and making sure that each child receives the outcome that they deserve.